In front of me I've got MEIZU M5S. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. In the beginning enter camera, and now let's check what this camera offers us. So, in the beginning, on the home page of the camera we've got modes like photo, video and beauty. In photo mode we can turn on flashlight or set it automatic. Also we can enable or disable HDR and put on some filters. In video mode we can only turn on flashlight. But in beauty mode we can adjust smart mode, eye size, face width, skin smoothness and skin tone. Also we can turn on flashlight. Next we've got modes like Pro, where you can adjust exposure time, ISO, macro, EV, saturation and contrast. Also you can change white balance. Next we've got macro mode, slow motion, time lapse, where you can select between half second to 8 seconds. Typical panorama, light field, QR code scan and GIF. Now let's go to settings, where you can enable grid lines, tilt indicator, date stamp, location. You can change between internal storage or SD card to save your photos, and we can change photo size. And that's all for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.